today we are going to talk about a new type of clock. Yesterday we learned about an analog clock, and today we are going to learn about a digital clock. The digital clock is down here, and if you notice, there looks like there is 2 periods. Okay, this digital clock is something that most of you guys have at home, either on your watch or on your cell phone, or any other type of device will have a digital clock on it. It is called a digital clock because it uses numbers in order to show the hours and the minutes. Yesterday we learned that our analog clock, on our analog clock, we use our shorthand to show the hours and our longhand to show the minutes. Now, remember what we said, we always look at the shorthand first. So when you look at the shorthand, it's on the 4. The same goes for our digital clock. We're going to write the shorthand or the hours first. So you're going to write your hours here, and then you're going to look for your minutes. So if you look up here, remember we said that when it's on the 12, it says o'clock. When we say o'clock, it just means that it's going to be 0, 0. So we would write 0, 0 down here. All right, let's try another one. Okay, now remember, I just moved our hour hand, so we're only going to look for our hour hand, and we're going to look for it first. Okay, so our hour hand is on the 7. So I'm going to write 7 for the hours, and we didn't move our minute hand. We're going to keep it on the 12, so it's going to stay 0, 0. So it is 7 o'clock on our digital clock. All right, let's look at another one. Okay, I moved the hour hand to the 10. So we need to change it on our digital clock. We're going to change that 7, and then we're going to write 10 for the hours. Whoop, can't see it too well right there, but it's going to be 10, and then we look at the minute hand. It's still at the 12, so it's going to be o'clock or 0, 0. All right, I'm going to do one on here. I want you to practice at home and see if you get it correct. All right, what time is it on our digital clock? Remember what we start with. I'll give you a few seconds to think about it. All right, you're right. If you said it was 3 o'clock, you got it correct. And let's do one more to help us practice. All right, I just moved the hour hand. Remember, the minute hand stayed the same. So when we write it, what would you write here? And then what would you write there? All right, it is 8 o'clock, so we would write 8 and then 0, 0. All right, I want you to practice these activities on Seesaw. Bye, guys.